Hello, this is Abdul Latif. I'm facing problem with the crackling sound when I recording videos. I'm going to share how I solve this problem. I search on the internet for how to solve this problem on YouTube. I found some people that solve the problem by updating the sound driver. Some people changing the setting of the sound that help them, but that is not help me for solving this problem. I'm trying to change the USB socket. That is not help me, that help another people. uh, I'm changing the USB socket for the microphone. I use a microphone with the USB. That is not help me also, but help another person. Also, I update the drivers for devices, for sound device. I update the driver for Bluetooth device. I update the driver for wireless drive device. I update the driver for the display adapter. I update the driver, but also all this is not help me and not solve my problem. But when I disable the wireless adapter, the crackling sound is gone and the problem is solved. But I need the wireless adapter enabled to can access the internet. I need the Wi-Fi. When I disable the Wi-Fi, not the adapter itself on the device manager, I disable it from the uh, task bar. That is stop the crackling sound, but this is not solution. Because of that, I search, I go around this problem to see how I can solve this problem that related to the wireless adapter. Now I will open the device manager and I show you how I solve this is problem. Okay, as you can see, I disable this adapter, Microsoft Wi-Fi Direct Virtual Adapter. When I disable this adapter, the crackling sound is gone, and Wi-Fi it is working and I can access the internet. As you like, you can disable it, or you can search for another solution for this problem. For a while I will use this solution. I don't know the permanent solution, but when I recording some videos I will disable this is Wi-Fi direct virtual adapter, because I don't need this is device to be enabled. Now I will show you the crackling sound is come back when I enable this is device. Okay, now I think the crackling sound is come back. I will move the microphone near the laptop. Now the crackling sound is come back. Okay, now you can hear the crackling sound. I will disable this device. Now the problem is solved and the crackling sound is gone. I will move the microphone again near the laptop. No crackling sound. I will enable again. Now the crackling sound come back. I move the microphone near the laptop. Now you can hear the crackling sound come back again. I will disable it again, and I will move the microphone near the laptop. No crackling sound. I hope this help you. That has helped me and solve my problem. uh, I will use this solution for recording videos. uh, this is not permanent solution, but I will use it to stop the crackling sound. Okay, I hope this is help you. Bye bye.